Have you ever wondered how some homes instantly feel warm, festive, and magical during the holidays, while others feel chaotic or bland? Creating that perfect Christmas atmosphere doesn't have to be stressful or expensive. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to bring joy, warmth, and sparkle to your holiday season so you can truly enjoy every moment. Welcome to HowExpert Tip of the Day, where we bring you real-world tips from our how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. If you want to learn even more in-depth strategies, examples, and techniques on this topic, check out How Expert Guide to Christmas, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. Christmas is more than just decorating a tree or buying gifts. It's about creating experiences, memories, and moments that last a lifetime. Today, I'll guide you through 7 essential steps to make your Christmas season truly magical, whether you're hosting, decorating, or simply soaking in the holiday spirit. Step number 1, plan your holiday season early. The first step to a stress-free and joyful Christmas is preparation. Start by setting a timeline for decorating, shopping, and planning meals. Planning early reduces last-minute stress and ensures you can enjoy each moment. For example, make a simple calendar marking when to decorate the tree, wrap gifts, and send holiday cards. Even setting aside an hour a week for holiday prep keeps you ahead. Remember, the secret to a magical holiday is starting calmly and intentionally. Step number 2, set a festive atmosphere in your home. Your surroundings have a big impact on mood. Begin by selecting a theme or color scheme for your home decorations. Whether it's classic red and green, winter wonderland whites, or rustic golds, consistent colors create a cohesive and beautiful space. Add scented candles, string lights, and soft music to make your home feel warm and inviting. A simple example: light cinnamon or pine-scented candles in the living room while playing holiday classics. This immediately evokes a cozy, joyful vibe. Step number 3, personalize your decorations. Mass-produced decorations are nice, but adding personal touches makes Christmas memorable. Include family photos, handmade ornaments, or keepsakes from past holidays. For instance, have children craft ornaments and display them on the tree. This instantly adds sentimental value. Even small touches, like a personalized wreath on your door or stockings with each family member's name, make the holiday feel unique and intentional. These details show care and create traditions that last. Step number 4, master the art of gift giving. Thoughtful gifts matter more than expensive ones. Take time to think about what truly delights your loved ones. Consider experiences, DIY gifts, or personalized items that reflect their interests. For example, a custom recipe book for a cooking enthusiast or a framed photo collage for a friend can mean more than store-bought items. Also, avoid last-minute shopping by making a list early. The goal is to give gifts that bring genuine joy and create lasting memories. Step number 5, create holiday traditions. Traditions are what make Christmas magical year after year. Start or maintain simple rituals, such as baking cookies together, watching a specific holiday movie, or having a hot chocolate night before bed. For example, every December 1st, you could light your first candle on an Advent wreath and read a short holiday story. These rituals don't need to be elaborate. Consistency and shared joy are what matter. Traditions connect family and friends, creating a sense of continuity and warmth. Step number 6, plan festive meals and treats. Food is often the centerpiece of holiday gatherings. Planning ahead makes meals enjoyable instead of stressful. Create a menu that balances favorites and new recipes, and prepare as much as possible in advance. For instance, bake cookies a few days ahead and freeze them, or pre-chop vegetables for your main dishes. Even a small gesture like a holiday-themed table, setting with decorative napkins and candles enhances the festive feeling. Sharing meals becomes more joyful when preparation is organized and intentional. Step number 7, focus on joy and connection. Finally, the heart of Christmas isn't decorations or gifts, it's the people you spend it with. Be present, share gratitude, and make time for meaningful interactions. Play games, tell stories, or simply relax together. For example, start a nightly tradition of everyone sharing one thing they are grateful for. Focusing on connection over perfection ensures your holiday season feels genuinely magical. Remember, the most cherished memories come from laughter, love, and togetherness. Here's a quick way to make these steps actionable today. Morning, light a candle and play music while sipping coffee. Afternoon, decorate one area of your home with a small DIY project or personal ornament. Evening, wrap one or two thoughtful gifts with care, maybe adding a handwritten note. By taking small, intentional actions each day, your home and your mindset gradually transform into a festive, joyful space. HowExpert Tip: simplify with pre-made kits. If decorating feels overwhelming, consider using pre-made decoration kits for trees, tables, or wreaths. They save time, reduce stress, and still allow for personal touches like adding photos or ornaments. This is especially helpful for busy families who want maximum impact with minimal effort. When you follow these steps, Christmas stops feeling like a chaotic checklist and becomes a season full of joy, warmth, and lasting memories. Your decorations, meals, gifts, and traditions all work together to create a truly magical holiday experience. Your challenge: choose one area of your holiday prep, decorations, gifts, meals, or traditions, and start today. Dedicate an hour to making it special and intentional. Then, each day, build on another step until your holiday season feels fully magical. For even more tips, techniques, and practical examples on this topic, check out How Expert Guide to Christmas, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. How Expert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.